Hey planner friend, it's been a long time since I've posted a video, but this is just too good to sit on and not share with my fellow working professional moms. This is the Anti Burnout Journal. But first things first, if you're new here, hey, welcome. My name is Dr. Debronetta, and I love all things planning. Here on my channel, I share pieces of my life with the hope of helping you to balance, grow, and succeed in yours. My therapist actually recommended this journal to me. We had a session recently, and I was just going through some of the struggles that I've had, not just at work, but personally, and some of the projects that I've been working on that have really been stressing me out. And what was interesting to me is that I just came out of a season of completing my doctorate, as well as another major life change. So I was surprised when she suggested that I was burnt out. For me, I was in disbelief that I would burn out like a year after being in school, but I also had to be mindful that I was also working full time. I have small children, or younger children rather, and then other projects that I like to take on just because I'm one of those guys. So she suggested that I work through this 12-week multi-platform wellness planner. Personally, I think it would be great for any mom, to be honest with you, whether you have like a corporate career, a lot going on. I mean, life is crazy these days. There's a lot going on outside of our homes, perhaps even inside of our homes, and we're dealing with a lot. So like I said, she recommended this to me, and I started on my journey. First things first, I did a brain dump, which is on one of the subsequent pages. I'm not going to share it because I did get a little personal with some of the things that I need to work through over the next 12 weeks. This does have a resource section that gives you prompts or suggestions in terms of how you should use this journal on a weekly basis. Not just a weekly basis, but you can use it as a daily planner. I do have a planner, as you all know, that I used this year, which I need to do an update on that because life has been lifing and I've been a little bit haphazard with my planning. I've been flying by the seat of my pants. Like I said, burnout is real, and I really encourage you, if you're struggling or feel that you're on the brink of burnout, to get you a resource that's going to be helpful for you or to talk to a professional. I shared the contents page already, so you can go back and pause that to see the sections of this particular planner. But week 1 is all about setting your intentions. I'm not going to go through each week, but I will poke around a bit in this planner so that you can see how it is structured. It does seem like each week starts out with just a helpful guide for you, which I can appreciate. Then it goes into week 1. It gives you the prompts that you can follow, and so on and so forth. It's also set up as a daily, this is pretty neat, a daily planner. It has quotes at the bottom. It has an opportunity for you to journal how you felt. If you are working with a counselor, a therapist, or some sort of coach that's appropriate for burnout, this is helpful for you to take to your sessions so they can get an understanding of your progress and where they should tweak any recommendations that they have for you.